We went up with Uncle Al. Yeah. Scott got me.
Hi.
Remember that? Alan and his partner.
So, ayan na. Ang wings. Pipili na tayo.
Blessed, thank you. Are you
Excuse me. Ayan na naman. May margarita na naman sa atin. Tapos, ayan. Friday
Thank you.
special.
Pepsi. Straws right with your silverware, and I'll give you.
kind of neat, yeah.
Naka-order na tayo. Ngayon ay hihintayin na lang natin. Ang in-order ko ay traditional wings. Yun. Subukan natin dito. Masarap daw dito. So, malalaman natin. Tapos, ayan. May beer din dyan. Siguro ito, pag kinuha mo yan, magiging zombie ka. Charot. Dati, ayan, matagal na ako. Siguro mga teenager pa ako, natikman ko yan, Budweiser. Hanggang hindi ko pa natikman yan. Kalimutan ko na yung lasa. Andito na yung order natin. Dumating na. Ayan, susubukan natin tong wings nila. Tapos ito yung sa aking partner.
Fries are good.
Try natin tong fries. It's good. Pero hindi ako masyado sa fries. So, tikman na natin tong ating ito. Meron ditong celery. Kaya pa saan? Tissue please. Thank you. Tikman na natin, patatagalin pag natin ito. Kainin na natin. Oh.
Alright. Sour?
Sour. Dahil sa ano, barbecue sauce. Pero masarap. Fried. Masarap.
You don't like the barbecue sauce?
Masarap na rin. Fried siya. Parang Maxes. Tapos ang dami ng ano, barbecue sauce. Maasim na matamis yung sauce. Tapos may
Sauce bad, chicken good.
that's good.
Okay.
fry more
Mm.
times. See where the finger goes.
It's good.
How's everything tasting for you guys?
Oh,
That's good.
pretty good.
Good. You guys need anything else right
Can
now?
I get a refill of Dr. Pepper, please?
Absolutely. I'll bring you a new cup.
Okay. That burger's very good.
Huh?
Burger's good. Next time you have to order something else, huh? Don't like the barbecue sauce.
It's deep fried. That's medyo crunchy. Para siyang Maxes pero nilagyan na lang ng barbecue sauce. Masarap siya. Okay na rin.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
So mga meme, mag-concentrate muna tayo sa pagkain. Walang rice. Fried chicken is good. So, tatapusin ko muna itong pagkain ko mga meme. Bye!